Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to add clickable Instagram profile link to TikTok. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the TikTok app on your phone. Now head on Profile located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you need to click on Edit Profile. And it will give you all these options. Now, we need to head on to Links, click on it, and choose Instagram. From here, you'll have an option to continue with Facebook or log in manually your Instagram account. And once you successfully log in your Instagram account, it will be attached to your TikTok profile that you can click on later on. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.